this assignment is going to help you keep practicing your learning target for this week. I am learning to locate information in an informational nonfiction text by using text features so that I can find the information that I need quickly without reading the whole book. I'm successful when I can use text features such as table of contents, headings, subheadings, bold print, photographs, captions, diagrams, maps, charts and graphs, timelines, glossaries, and an index to find information that I need. Remember, authors of nonfiction informational texts don't use all of these every time. Some of them are only going to be in a book, like a table of contents or a glossary or an index. And then even if it's just an individual article or one passage, an author will choose which one of these he or she wants to use to present the information to you in the easiest way. So you won't see them all every time. You're going to watch a quick review video about text features right here by clicking play. And last, you'll complete what's called the Arbor Day comprehension passage. You're going to use the text features to help you find your answers, and you're going to write your answers using RAP. So to do this assignment, you'll click this gray box right here. It should open in a new tab over here. I've got lots of tabs open, but you can see here's the original Canvas assignment, and here is your new assignment. Then you're going to click Edit Presentation and Edit in Browser. Sometimes it takes a minute to load, and that's okay. So the first thing you're going to do is read this passage about Arbor Day very carefully. I see some text features here and here and here and here. Read it all the way through, even the text features. Don't skip the text features. Then you're going to start answering the questions, and you can make it bigger if you need to. Number 1 says, when was the first Arbor Day? How was it celebrated? Use the text features to help you. So you'll come back into the passage, and you'll find the part of the passage that talks about when the first Arbor Day was celebrated. You will highlight it when you find it, and since number 1 had a red crayon by it, you will make it red. And there's a little bit more that needs to be read than just that, but that's an example. And then you will use RAP. You could say according to paragraph 1, or according to the timeline, or according to the text, the first Arbor Day was, you got to prove to me where you found your answer. Anything that you made red, you should mention right here to prove to me that it's correct. And don't forget to answer all parts of the question, like how it was celebrated. There should also be an image that helps you answer that question. That's asking which text feature you use. So tell me which text feature you use to find it here. For these little boxes, like on number 2, you can just put an A, B, or C, or D in the box, but I still want you to mark where you found your answer in orange for number 2. And you can also just put A, B, C, or D in this little box, but again, you need to mark it up here blue in the passage. 3, 4, and 5 should be full constructed response questions using RAP, where you tell me where you found the answer in the passage. And this top page over here should have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple markings on it by the time you are done. It should be very colorful. Don't forget to hit submit back over on Canvas when you're done.